My name is Peter Llewellyn, and you're here in Shoreline Design in Georgetown PEI. Shoreline Design has been here since 2006. We're sort of a self-contained studio. We do all of our work right here on site. We're a bit of an eclectic bunch here. We do everything from silver work, leather work, enamels, stone carving, both soapstone and island sandstone. We're always looking at new things, so it keeps evolving from semi-precious to precious gems also. Basically, before I used to wear a suit. And, you know, at some point in your life, you say, I've had enough, and I said I had enough. And so I started to wrap sea glass. I was sitting out here, I'd given a company notice I was leaving, and one thing led to the other, and being a type A, I just kept growing and growing and growing. So today we're full-time year-round. I'm self-taught, so I really had no training. So each step of the way, it's learning. Burned a lot of fingers. It's been fun. Reinventing the wheel is a little difficult way to do it, but today now I'm starting to sort of hit the 10,000 hour learning cycle. I teach a lot of kids. I show a lot of people how to do things. And that does speed up the process. I do winter courses for adults in enameling, soapstone carving. We've done a number of different things, but in the summertime, I tend to try to work with kids. You know, we do the whole range from earrings to bangles, toe rings. We do precious stones, rubies, emeralds, sapphires. Sea glass, of course, is the mainstay here on PEI. We have very few of our own gems. The other thing that we do is we do our own lapidary. So we actually find, cut, and polish island petrified wood, 150 million year old wood. So you can actually take home a little piece of PEI. Well, just a typical day. This morning I was on deck here at 6 o'clock. So that means I was up early enough to have my coffee, read my newspaper, and I was out at 6 o'clock. This morning I set 18 settings, which were Larimar. I did some sea glass, some rutilated quartz. I soldered 58 silver bands that I had made last night, and it was still 10:30. Okay.
Still early.
Yeah. So my regular day is 7 days a week. Well, I'm a man and I'm an artist. Okay, so both of them are problems. So I have a very short attention span. So I tend to go full tilt into each thing, and as I get a little bit bored, I move on to another thing. And so there's no one thing I like. We do enameling, we do copper work, we do stone work that's outside. So if it's a rainy day, we're inside. If it's a nice day, we're out. We have rubies to cut, we have island petrified wood, some Larimar to finish up the settings, the stones have to be done, and custom work. So what does Shoreline Design do here? We're really quite extraordinary. We do just about anything you can imagine, and if you can imagine it, we'll do it.